Prepare your tools for mounting the tubeless version. Tubeless ready tire, tubeless wheels, levers, tubeless sealant, pump or compressor, tubeless rim tape, tubeless valve. As a first step, verify compatibility between the tire and the rim typology. They both have to be suitable for tubeless mounting. Both hookless and traditional rims can be appropriate for tubeless setup for specific tire sizes. Then, make sure there's compatibility between the rim and the valve length. Use a cleaning cloth to remove dirty parts and apply the tubeless rim tape. Make sure the tape is properly installed and it is not damaged. Insert the tubeless valve in the rim. Install the first bead on the rim, verifying it is inside the groove at the center on the rim. Install the second bead on the rim, pushing it into the groove of the rim. Use tire levers to make the setup easier. Make sure both beads are properly positioned inside the groove of the rim. Inflate the tire so that the beads correctly seat in the rim. Deflate the tire to insert the sealant. Vittoria's universal tubeless tire sealant is provided with a valve tool for dismounting the valve core. Remember to shake well before using. And insert the proper quantity of sealant. The sealant has a threaded lid cap for easy application of the liquid through the valve. Mount the valve core. And inflate at the right pressure. In case you use a hookless rim, remember this kind of rim needs specific pressures. For more information, scan the QR code. Verify the tire is correctly positioned. Spin the wheel and make it bounce in order to evenly spread the sealant inside the tire. And then, you're done. For the tire dismounting, you will need levers, pliers, and clips. Deflate the tire completely. Using caution to detach the bead from the rim. Help yourself with the levers, clips, and pliers in the process, with caution to detach the bead from the rim. The handles of the pliers are designed to work as tire levers. Use them to completely detach the bead from the rim. Remove the second bead using levers or pliers. Use a container to gather the sealant. Do not disperse it in the environment. In case of puncture, replace the tire. Use a cleaning cloth to completely remove the sealant from the rim and the valve. For the ultimate generation of tubeless insert, take a look to the Airliner Road mounting and dismounting video here.